Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakri. My name is 105 351 101 123. And now I want to present my material morphology. Morphology is the study of the structure and formation of words. It is a subfield of linguistics that examines how words are built from smaller units of meaning, known as morphemes. Morphemes are smaller grammatical units in a language and can be classified as either free morphemes and bound morphemes. Free morphemes, these can stand alone as independent words. For example, cat, happy, and run. And bound morphemes, these cannot stand alone and must be attached to a free morpheme to convey meaning. Examples include prefix and suffix. Prefix, the example is an, as in ando, and suffix is ing, as running. And next is part of morphology. Part of morphology include word and lexeme, morphology and phonology, dativation and lexical, derivation and semantic, inflection, and last is part of speech. The first is word and lexeme. Word is a specific form that appears in speech or writing, representing a single grammatical unit. Words can change form through inflection, adding endings for tense number. Words are constructed in tense of use, also called word forms. In the sentence, she runs every morning. The word runs is a specific form, other form of the same word run, running, and run. Lexeme. Lexeme is an abstract unit of meaning that encompasses all the word form a word can take. Lexemes are abstract, they do not vary with grammatical inflection. Variation of a lexeme carry that same core meaning but reflect different grammatical contexts. The lexeme run include run, base form, runs, third person singular, run, past tense, running, present participle, or run. The next is morphology and phonology. Morphology study how morphological change affect phonological forms. Example, English plural s. After voiceless sounds, cats. Z after voice sounds, dogs. And is after sibilance, this his. Next is phonology. Phonology is the study of the sound system of a language. It examines how sounds function, pattern, and interact in a given language. Example, in English, the plural s has three pronunciations: is, sh, z, and is, depending on the presenting sound. Pin and spin, the p in pin is aspirate p, while in spin it is aspirate p. The division and lexical. Lexical morphology focuses on the structure of the lexicon and the process by which words are stored and derived within. It looks at how words relate to one another in terms of derivation and inflection. Process in lexical morphology include compounding, affixation, and conversion. Next is derivation and semantic. Derivation is a morphological process that creates new words by adding affix, prefix, and suffix to a base or root word. Example, kind as unkind changes meaning with the prefix "un". Educate as education changes grammatical category with the suffix "ion". Run as a runner changes meaning to describe a person who runs. Semantics is the study of meaning language, include the meaning of words, phrases, and sentence. Idiomatic or not compositional meanings. Some derived words acquire meanings that are not directly predictable from the base word and affix. Example, oversee does not to see over, literally, but to supervise. Cultural and contextual influence. The derived word meaning can vary based on cultural or contextual usage. Example, revolution can mean a political upheaval or a circular motion depending on context. Next is inflection. Inflection is a morphological process in linguistics that modifies words to express grammatical feature as a sentence, number, gender, case, aspect, mood, or voice. Unlike derivation, inflection does not create new word or changes the word's lexical category. Instead, it adjusts a word to fit into a specific grammatical context. Common types of inflection is first is tense, second number, third case, fourth gender, fifth aspect, mood, and last degree. The example, you can see the big screen. And the last is part of speech. Part of speech are categories of words based on their rules and function in the sentence. These categories help define the grammatical structure of language. Function of parts of speech. You can see the big screen. And thank you. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.